Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating straight to Touch ID and passcode. If the label differs, look for biometrics. Make sure your finger is clean and dry because oils prevent accurate reads. Tap Add Finger, then lay the pad of your finger on the sensor. Do not press hard. Lift and reposition slightly each time so the phone captures edges. Once you see progress, adjust angle and pressure. This creates a full fingerprint map for reliable unlocking and payments. Continue by following the on-screen prompts until the enrollment ring reaches completion. You'll feel pauses. Those are normal. As you place the finger, rotate it to capture the sides and the tip, because varied contact builds a richer fingerprint template. If you use a case or hold the phone one-handed, add an alternate position for the same finger. This prevents failures when grip changes. Make sure to complete both the initial and the smaller edge scans. Since they combine into a single, you finish by testing Unlock, Apple Pay, and app authentication to confirm the new fingerprint works across uses. If the phone sometimes fails to recognize you, re-enroll that finger or add a second finger for redundancy. Small changes in skin condition matter. Also make sure the sensor and your finger are clean, and if you use a thick screen protector that covers the sensor area, remove or replace it because barriers can block reads. Finally, reboot if odd behavior persists. This refreshes biometric services.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.